Today, how to use the website Scratch to create an object that will move. Here we are on the website, scratch.mit.edu. I've created myself an account, and I will click Create. Just to orient you here, you've got three parts of the window. The first is this part with the cat. This is the screen where the action will happen. You have your commands in here in the middle, and then you have this pane over here, which I'll show you in a minute. I'll give it a title, diffusion. We want to do a diffusion with molecules, not cats, so I'm going to have to delete this cat. Sorry, cat. We'll delete that by clicking here where it says Sprite 1. I will click Control, Delete. Every object that moves in here is called a sprite. So now I need to create a sprite, and I do that by going over here to where it says Paint New Sprite. And you'll see this palette shows up on the right. Now for the purpose of this activity, I would like to create a bunch of small circles. So I go over to the circle tool, or the ellipse tool. I would like this to be filled in, so make sure that that option is blocked off. I would like to pick a color. Let's pick a color blue. And we'll make a small circle for our first molecule. Okay, now if I click out of there, you'll see it shows up under here under sprites, sprite 1. It also shows up right there. So now I've created my first object. Now let's get this object to move. First thing I need to do is start with events. Events tells me when I do something to start this whole project. Let's get it going. I like to use the little flag up here, but you can really be creative and use whatever you'd like. So we start our first script. The program is called a script by putting this when the flag is clicked. So let's say when the flag is clicked, let's have that object move. And let's have it move a certain number of steps, let's say 10 steps. So let's see what happens when I click the flag. You'll see it moved over a little bit. Now what is a step? If you notice over here, it says X and Y. Think of this as a coordinate plane, right? Think of it as a X and Y coordinate where the X is 0, Y is 0 is right in the middle, and X goes up to the right, Y goes up to the top, X goes down to the left, Y goes down to the bottom. So you'll probably play around with that a little bit. If I want to move it more, I just add more steps. Let's have it move 100 steps when I click the flag. Okay, let's have it move 200 steps when I click the flag. And now we've hit the edge of the window. And in the next screencast, I will help you figure out what to do next.